We will now be talking about supply chain challenges. And every business face challenges. And one of the major concerns is ensuring the continuous supply of raw materials. And despite its strength, BYD faces challenges such as raw material shortages and trade restrictions. Logistics disruptions can also impact operations. So, whenever there is a war in one region, it disrupts the flow of supply of materials, making it expensive to deliver raw materials to one of its manufacturing plants. Hence, you have to strategize and build a risk management scenario to have different alternatives of delivering raw materials at the right time and at the right place. Addressing these challenges requires flexibility and strategic planning. So, how do you respond to global disruptions? That is one of the things that we have to discuss. BYD responds to disruptions by strengthening local production and securing long term supply contracts. Because having long term contracts with suppliers ensure the availability of much needed materials. In this way, you can be assured of production continuity in every manufacturing plant that you have. BYD also invests in innovation to reduce dependency on scarce resources. We'll be talking innovation in the next modules that we will be discussing in the coming weeks. Hence, BYD invests in innovation to reduce dependency on scarce resources, and these actions enhance resilience. In every business, you must be offering a competitive pricing for your products because cost leadership strategy is one of the strategy that company should focus. Cost leadership involves producing goods at lower cost than competitors. BYD achieves this through efficiency and scale. And you know that one of the major costs of a product, especially in manufacturing, is labor. And this is one of the advantage of BYD because of its low labor cost, especially when the vehicle is manufactured in China. But that's one of the consideration. Vertical integration further reduces cost, yes, because when you go in a vertical integration, meaning you control everything from the production of your own raw materials up to the finishing of the goods at the end of the manufacturing plant. With vertical integration, you have full control of all the process and does not depend on outside forces. This allows competitive pricing in a global market, especially if you are competing with other competitors offering electric vehicle. Again, it's very important to introduce innovation in every manufacturing process. So what is this battery innovation? Innovation drives continuous improvement and BYD invests in new battery technologies and digital systems. Why do they invest? Because battery is one of the central component of an electric vehicle. These innovations improve efficiency and product quality. So you must really invest in innovation. They also provide a competitive edge over the other competitors. Now, let's talk about competitive advantage. And when we talk about competitive advantage, it is your best value proposition against your competition. And BYD supply chain strategies create strong competitive advantage. First is they have control over key components that reduces risk and cost. And what is these key components? As we have already told you before, it is the battery, the main life of an electric vehicle. Since they are producing their own battery, they ensure that there is a cost advantage on their end. And this is one of the competitive advantage of BYD. And this enables faster production and market responsiveness. So how does BYD compared with other competitors? So we will be discussing about the competitive profile matrix of BYD as we compare it to other leading suppliers of electric vehicle. Compared to Tesla Inc., BYD focuses more on vertical integration because Tesla is not producing its own batteries, but they have partner suppliers to provide these batteries. Unlike BYD, it is part of their vertical integration because they produce their own battery for the electric vehicle. And this gives BYD a stronger control over its supply chain. Also, it allows more cost-efficient production in every manufacturing facilities they own globally. So what is the lesson that we can learn from BYD as a company, as a benchmark case study for today? For the supply chain, we can have lessons from this BYD. And businesses can learn from BYD's approach by investing in key capabilities and building resilient supply chains. Meaning, you have to focus on your cost advantage. You have to focus on what you control the most. And in case of BYD, they control the batteries they use in electric vehicle. Adaptability and innovation are very critical for success of a business. And strategic planning is essential in global operations. So you may ask, what is the future for this electric vehicle? And it's very obvious that there's a bright future for electric vehicle, especially now with the rising costs of fuel that is brought about by world disruptions brought about by war in the Middle East. So many people now are looking into buying their own electric vehicles because in the long run, it will be cheaper as compared to an automobile that is using fuel like diesel and gasoline. And there's also a tendency that this oil will become extinct in the future. But with electric vehicle, there is the future for batteries. And batteries are now becoming cheaper. The demand for electric vehicles is expected to grow rapidly, and we really know that this will be the trend for the future. Supply chains will become more localized and sustainable, but companies must adapt to these trends to remain competitive and really cater to the needs of the growing customer. So, in other lessons, we always come up with key takeaways. What we can learn from this BYD case study as we study the different global supply chain strategies. Supply chain strategy is a key driver of success. Remember that supply chain strategy is a key driver of success because it comes with the production of your raw materials up to the improvement of the production process until the final product is produced at the end of the manufacturing line. Vertical integration, localization, and innovation are essential strategies. Vertical integration meaning you control most of the manufacturing process. Localization, when you go to a foreign market, be sure that you partner with a local distributor that can know much of the local market and they have the ability to market your own product to their current customers. And lastly, innovation is very important because customers demands innovation. They always look for something new. That's why there would be a never-ending process of innovation. BYD provides a strong example of effective global supply chain management. So to conclude this study, we have three main parts. In conclusion, BYD demonstrates how effective supply chain strategies can drive global success. Its approach combines efficiency, resilience, and innovation. This case study produces and provides valuable insights for businesses and future managers in a globalized economy. So, this will be the end of our presentation for today, but we will continue in the next coming module.